Hello everybody, welcome to Break Remake. I'm your host Joan. Today I'm going to show you how to do these cute little earrings. Now, I made these a while ago, but somebody wanted me to show you guys how to do the wire work. I love doing wire work. I used to have a jewelry business, but I stopped so I could do Break Remake. So I made this book in a previous episode. If you'd like the link, I'll leave it in the description box below. This has a tiny hole in it. If you have jump rings that just won't quite work with your item that you want to string onto earrings or a necklace, or you don't have any head pins or eye pins, go ahead and use wire to do a decorative, basically it's like replaces a jump ring. Clip your wire. And then I like to take my fingers and just straighten it with my fingers. Kind of work hardens it a little. Take this, stab it through, put it most of the way through, and then I fold it up. So one's a little shorter, one's a little longer. Make it into a U. Then fold the wire down, making a nice right angle with that wire. Then it looks like that. Once you have it in this weird kind of L shape, you can go ahead and start wrapping. I just use my fingers to wrap. And then as you get started, you can go ahead and use your pliers to tighten. I usually wrap it twice. Then you take your cutters, your wire cutters, and nip it off, and then tuck these little ends in. If it looks a little wobbly, that's okay. Go ahead and manually straighten it out. This first part's done. It's the easiest part. Now we put our decorations. I always like to have cute little beads. Anything that will fit onto your wire is what you use. I've got the top part of my loop and wrap to make. Go ahead and fold this at a 45-degree angle. Then I like to take the pliers and wrap it around the top of the pliers, leaving room for the wire wrap on the tops. If your shape is a little wonky, just go ahead and smoosh it into the right shape. I'm gonna use my pliers to hold the top, and I'm gonna wrap this around twice, and then I'm gonna cut off the excess. I've got my little end, nip it, wrap it in. I've got my nice decorative loops going on to hold my book onto my earring. Pop open your earring hook. All the ear wires have a little hook, and you just pop it on there. Make sure your book is hanging the right way, so the back of the earring, of course, facing outward. Figure out what you need to do to make it be right. There, I did it. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more eco-friendly, sustainable DIYs. We'll see you next time. Bye.